So the restaurant sales have been plateauing, decreasing, and you want to find out about 3 simple strategies on how you can increase sales. And I'm going to address that in this video in 3, 2, 1. And here we go. Hello everybody, my name is Sham, known in the community as a responsible restaurant owner. And since 2008, I've been helping people and myself open and run restaurants out of the Silicon Valley, California. And I'm sharing this knowledge with the world. 3 very simple to implement things to increase your sales. 1, you're going to give them a card when they're done with their experience that tells them, you're going to tell them, this is for you, we would love to keep in touch. What does that card have? Name, email address, date of birth, comments, and do you do catering? It is way easier to sell to somebody that has already been inside your restaurants. If they fill up that information, it means that they want you to call them again. If they write comments, good or bad, it means that they want you to succeed. You need to bank on that, boss, in order to increase sales. Number 2, you need to have a script, boss. It's amazing all the work you have done, the decoration, the food, the menu design, the hiring, the firing, all the things you have done to bring people in, and you leave your guests at the mercy of what the waiters are saying. It's amazing how many restaurants do not have a script. If the waiter doesn't know that they need to talk about the dessert, about the fancy drinks, about upselling, they need to know about that. And the best way to make it easy to duplicate is to put it word by word. A very simple trick is using the word, can I make a suggestion? Whenever you say, can I make a suggestion? Well, guess what? The mind comprehends it as its own initiative. Can I make a suggestion? 8 times out of 10, your guests are going to say, yes, try it tonight. Number 3, what you can do in order to increase your sales is you're going to have a one-to-one talk with each one of your employees. Take them on the side and focus on their social progress. Do you know what the intents of your waiters are? Lots of us would just hire them in order for them to be waiters. Maybe they're there for 2 months, 3 months. Try to figure out what their objectives is. The fact of creating that bond, they're going to feel more comfortable with you. They're going to feel like working harder, selling more, and share with them your concern about the level of sales and talk to them about which product they feel more comfortable so that every single waiter can shine selling what they feel more comfortable doing instead of treating them like a pack of sheep. And that's it for our 3 commands, 3 strategies in order to increase sales. Let me know what you think about it. Everything in my video is happening in the comment section. I put on there some goodies for you. Please take advantage of them. And can I make a suggestion? Please subscribe. Until we meet again, this was Sham, the responsible restaurant owner. And remember, the secret ingredient is love, baby. It's love.